Welcome to this technical guide on the Teclast F7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Teclast F7 battery barely lasts a few minutes, which can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often occurs due to battery wear over time or faults in the charging circuit. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications and may even render your device unusable. To successfully replace the battery, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new compatible battery for the Teclast F7. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully insert it into the gap between the back cover and the body of the device. Gently pry it open, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is usually secured by a few screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you keep track of them. Now, disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it from the motherboard, being cautious not to apply too much force as this may damage the connector. Lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the battery in place. Before closing the device, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no loose components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, align the back cover with the device and press down firmly until it clicks into place. Power on your Teclast F7 to verify that it's functioning properly and that the new battery is working as intended. To prevent similar issues in the future, avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures, and try not to let the battery drain completely too often. Regularly keeping your device charged can help extend battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.